Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. For today's episode of brunch recipe, we're going to cook stir-fry mixed vegetable. Done. This recipe is a good way for you to clear out the vegetable in your refrigerator. And don't waste it. Just eat it. It's good, healthy.
We need about 3 cups of mixed vegetable. It can be any kind, the one that you like or the one that you want to get rid of. And this is my go-to sauce. I use this sauce for almost every kind of stir-frying. And you can add any choice of your protein. Step 1, cutting vegetables. You can use any kind of vegetables. Just cut it into bite size. And we need about 3 cups.
You can mince it, chop it. Use 2 chili today that big piece, so you don't accidentally eat it. Don't have chili, go ahead to use jalapeno. All you do is just cutting big pieces. That's it for onion. And the last mushroom, I'm going to make it a little bit fancy because I love my food to be beautiful. Make a little mark here. I do another side. This one good for the small mushroom. This is my carrot. The last one is the snap pea. This is how you peel it, click it, and then pull.
If you have snow peas, peel it the same way.
This is my favorite. See here? This is the part that you don't want. We're ready to cook.
Step 2, branching vegetables. This is to control the crunchiness of the veggie and also will ease your stir-fry process. First, boiling water in a wok or a pan that you're going to stir-fry later. Add vegetable that is going to take longer time to cook, like broccoli, carrot, cauliflower. Let it cook for about 20 seconds. Now add the second set of vegetables, which takes shorter time to cook, and cook it another 20 seconds. Now scoop all the vegetable out and soak it into cold water or room temperature water. This is to stop the cooking process. This process takes less than 1 minute to get the crunchy vegetable. However, if you like your vegetable to be soft, you can cook it a little bit longer. Step 3, time to stir fry.
I'm going to start from garlic, onion, and chili. I love to put chili because it's going to give you a little spice kick. If you cook for kids, you can skip the chili part. After it gets soft or gets fragrant, now you're ready for your vegetable. This is the vegetable that we blanched. Now I'm going to put all my sauce, starting from 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar and pepper. Now you're gonna start cooking. Remember, our vegetable is cooked already, so we don't need to do much over here. Wow. Done.
You can add choice of your protein, prawns, chicken, or tofu. Just make sure to stir fry it until it's cooked before adding branched vegetable to stir frying. And here is the go-to sauce for vegetarian.
We are done with this episode of brunch recipe. Please let us know what would you like us to cook next. I hope you like it. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends.